Hello, this is Sven. I am from Stavanger in Norway, and this is a little lection in the GoldSpear. The GoldSpear is actually a Swedish invention. It's only very few that knows about it, but I bought it on eBay. Think about that. It was broken, but I had a friend and he fixed it. So now I will show how it works. How does it work? It's actually very interesting, because you can use it as whenever you go in nature, you can use it just like getting yourself around, and you stick it into the soil, into the rivers, wherever you go, and if it beeps, it might be gold. Okay, I will let you see how it works. It's only very tiny grains. You can actually measure 0.05 of a millimeter size gold, and that is very small indeed, and you cannot pan that small. So it will indicate if there is any gold whatsoever in the soil, but it needs to hit it. It needs to physically be in touch with it, and that's what I think will work fine. I hope the summer's coming very soon, so we can go out in the rivers and test it, because it's just now Christmas time. I got it back from my friend. He had it in a year and fixed it for me. I bought it for $100 in eBay. It's just sheer luck, but it's working. We have tested it, and now we will test it in a little bottle of black sand. In here we have some gold, and we also have the black sand, which it should be indicating also. There's several measurements on this probe, which when you stick it into the soil, it will beep, of course, like everyone else knows. This is a gold machine, and we'll find it for you. I'll show you the tip of it. It's just little tiny tip like that, and the measurement of gold is actually on the very side. Here we go. I'm not used to make film actually, and this is where it measures the gold, and this is just for hitting the ground and getting down in the ground. Okay, I have an assistant, my son Andreas. Where are you? There you are. Hey, this is my son Andreas, and we are going to he's my assistant because I don't want to lose my gold when I'm testing it. So now we'll go to find it, and to be sure that you can see what we see, I will go away and my son will be here and hold the bottle with the gold, and if we are lucky we make it. If not, we have to take the gold physically out of the bottle, because it is little tiny grains, I said, so it's measuring the tiny grains, but it doesn't actually hit it, because it's not enough soil in there to measure up to the actual probe. But I hope we can try, and here you go, Andreas. We'll let it lie on the side like that, and you have to open the lid first. And since you don't hear the voice like I used to hear in the earphones, I have my player out here, so we get the loud sounds when something happens. Okay, now I have to turn on the equipment. Actually, this is a probe that's this is around 1.5 meters long, and the end of it looks like that, and this is the GoldSpear. And on the end here we have some instruments. It's very easy working. Here we have for the microphone, or for the sound, or for the earphone, whatever you want to use, loudspeaker. Here is a black sand knob. You turn it to 3 o'clock to make it approximately where you want it, and this is actually the instrument that we use to find the gold. And first, to check the battery, we need to put it onto that position there. No, that was wrong direction, of course. And if you hear some ticking noise, that's the testing for the battery. That's okay. It looks fine. It's blinking. And then it's off position. And there's a 3 lights LED here. There is this green one, then there is a orange one, and we have the yellow one on the very right hand side for me, I think. And the interesting thing is the two first ones. The first light is actually for finding the black sand. That's the normal position when you just go hitting the soil. It should be like something when it hits some black sand, which often indicates a place where there is a gold. And also the next will show you where there's a non-metallic minerals. That's one I'm not very sure of I'm going to use a lot. But of course, when you have found the black sand, you will go further. You will turn this indicator to the left, to the right it will be, to the very right, to see if there is gold in the black sand. So actually you have 4 discriminations here, but the most interesting is the black sand indicator and of course the gold indicator. So 0.05 of a millimeter of gold is enough to make this beep. And now I will show you how it beeps, and for the summertime I'll come back. Surely I hope to find. We have actually a little river down in below here, quite close to me. That's called, what is it called, Andreas? Hey, get up! You see your face. What is this little river called? The Gold River, of course. Yeah. And nobody actually said anything. An old man I asked many years ago, he said yes, at some time they had actually found gold there. So I will go and check it with this instrument, because this will surely be easier to use when you don't know where to go. And if it hits something, I will find it, and then we can start panning after that. Interesting, isn't it? We love to do that. We would love to do it more. And with this instrument, we will surely do it even more than more. Yeah. Let's go. Let's try this. Now it's on the testing. Oh, why is that ticking? Oh, it's ticking in the air. Why? What's that? So this is the probe. Now we'll... I don't know why it's ticking. Shouldn't be ticking. Well, let's put the probe in here. What happens? Get the bottle up so we can see. That wasn't too easy. I think we need to adjust something here. Can you get into the bottle and get some gold? A little nugget? Something started happening here, I don't know why. Now it should be fine. Okay. Let's see if this gold nugget that my son is showing you, here he has a quite good bit of gold. And then he will touch it on the sensor. Can you hear that sound? You have the black sand background ticking noise, and then there is this gold giving this very easily detectable noise. This is gold, man. Show them the gold, man. Show them the gold. Yeah. Hold them between your fingers and they will easily see it. Yeah? Look at that nice nugget. That is a Norwegian gold from Bømlo, which is just a few miles from me. And this was a lot of old gold mines there some 100 years ago, and they found quite a little gold there, and there still is. So we will go and find more of this stuff. It's quite nice. A real gold nugget from Norway. I've seen these nice videos from Australia. Go there, you'll see some really big nuggets, which I doubt we will find. But in Norway we find some gold too. Not that big, but it's fun. And you go out in nature and do the same. Have a good luck. Nice to see you. Bye bye for now. And to the summer, we'll be back. Bye. Bye. Oh, okay.